standing with Family, and Family just tore up the stage because the fans were wild when he came on stage. Family, how was that for you just now?
This is actually my first time performing on Rapaholic, and I must tell you, it's a good feeling performing for this kind of crowd. I mean, I felt so good, and it was refreshing performing for people like this.
All right, you say it's your first time. What was the reception like?
Mad, and I'm so good. Once I perform, you now feel I mean, you feel good to say it, and so and I can certain thing.
All right, so what kind of people expect from Family going forward?
Great music, albums, greater heights, mad love.
All right, so wish the people a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, yeah?
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my soul. Bless you.
All right, bless up. All right.